Welcome everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Today's another open house video of a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom ranch home located here in the Villages, Florida. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends. This is the home for sale today. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom ranch home. It is list priced at $334,900. It is located here in the Villages, Florida. Let's go inside and take a look. It does have a painted concrete driveway, and it is a 2-car garage with sliding screens, so you could sit in that garage and keep the bugs out of it. It does have a mature landscaped yard and a deep setback. It is a wood-framed home. It is located here in the Villages, Florida. Very mature landscaping. I believe that is a Robolini palm right there. Very nice patio in front of the home. Large patio that is painted, has painted concrete. Very nice home. Let's go inside and take a look. Well, hello, good morning. How are you? Thanks for allowing me to video this home. Angie, would you like to describe this home a little bit?
Yes, you are in a 3-bedroom, and all 3 bedrooms have closets, 2-bathroom home with a true 2-car garage with a screen. We have several solar tubes throughout the house, no carpet, and we're on a large corner home site, and the bond has been paid.
And the list price is $334,900.
Yes, it is, and we're in Sumter County, so we have the lowest taxes in the Villages.
Do you know what village this is?
We are in the Village of Lynnhaven, so you have lots of golf courses and recreation centers right at your back door, and the proposed Costco will be less than 2 miles.
Perfect. What I'll do, thank you, Angie, and if they have more information, I will leave your contact information in the description of this video and they can contact you.
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
Very good. I will walk through the home and I'll describe what I see. I'll start here in the foyer area, and the first thing I do notice is this beautiful wood laminate floor that expands into the dining area as well as the living area. This home is very light and bright. The lanai is in the back of the home, and it is facing east. And I will take a walk out into the lanai a little bit later. The kitchen does have granite countertops, and it does have tile floors as well. It has an electric range, stainless appliances, and a tile backsplash. That backsplash is awesome. The sink is a 2-bowl stainless sink. These cabinets are beautiful. Has recessed lighting here in the kitchen. It does have the acoustic texture on the ceiling as well. This home show is very nice. I will walk out into the laundry area. It does have inside laundry. The mechanicals are in the laundry room. Very nice. That does look like vinyl flooring in the laundry area. It has awesome cabinets with brushed stainless hardware on it. Let's walk into the 2-car garage and take a look. I do notice that it does have concrete floors in this 2-car garage. As I mentioned before, it has sliding screen doors, and you can sit in here and avoid any insects. This garage does have a sink. Has some storage units over there, storage cabinets. Has a cement floor. This home is very nicely decorated. It's very clean as well. That's the first thing I noticed about this home. It's very clean and meticulous. Next, I will walk in to the home again, and I will take a walk into the master bedroom area. You can see the beautiful laminate wood floors continue here into the master bedroom area. Very nice, very light and bright. Again, the back of the home does face east, and this master bedroom is in the back of the home. Master bedroom has a master bathroom and a walk-in closet Let's take a walk and see that closet. Has storage shelves. Very large walk-in closet. Very nice home. This home does have beautiful neutral coloring in it. This is the master bathroom. It has tile floors as well. Does look like it has granite countertop on the sink. One bowl. There is one of the skylights that Angie mentioned before. Has a commode area and a closet. I'll take a look what's inside the closet. There's your closet in the master bathroom. Beautiful tile floors. It does have a shower with glass doors. Let's take a look inside that shower. That shower does appear to be either plastic or fiberglass. It does appear to be a 36-inch shower, just to give you an idea. Let's take a walk through the rest of the house. This house does have a split bedroom design where the master bedroom is on the opposite side of the home as the guest bedrooms. Let's walk into the guest bedroom area. On this side of the home, you should see 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. The beautiful laminate floors continue. This is a guest bedroom that is in the back of the house. Very neutral colors. It does have a closet like Angie was indicating. Does have the acoustic textured ceiling. And you do have access from this bedroom off into the lanai. And that's where we will go next. The lanai does have tile floors. It has sliding glass windows as well. Those are very expensive to add here in Florida. And the lanai does face east. This is how the backyard looks. I'll take a walk outside and do a panoramic view of the yard. This home does have a patio area here as well with painted cement. This is the back of the home. This is panning north. That would be facing north. This would be panning south. Let's take a walk. This home is located on a corner lot. The lot is very large. And this is a panoramic view back to the north. That is your home right there. This home seems to be in very good condition. Let's walk back into the home. I do have a guest bathroom to show you and another guest bedroom. And then I will walk back out into the street. I will do a panoramic view of the street, give you some idea and perspective of the direction of this home. Here I'm back walking into the guest bathroom area. I do see tile floors. The bond is paid on this home. There's a little spec sheet there. Does have, looks like granite countertops in here as well. There's another solar tube in this bathroom. This guest bathroom does have a tub and shower surround. Does appear to be fiberglass or plastic. Looks to be in very good condition. This is another guest bedroom. The vinyl floor, the laminate floors continue in this guest bedroom. This bedroom is located in the front of the home. The front of the home is facing west. It does have a closet with bifold doors. Very nice home. Very quiet neighborhood here in the village of Lynnhaven. I will video the specification sheet next to give you the particulars on this home. This is the particulars on the home. This home is located at 957 Haretison Avenue here in the Villages, Florida. List price is $334,900. If you have any questions, please contact Angie Taylor, the listing agent. Feel free to stop the video and pause the video if you want to read the specification sheet. These are the dimensions of the rooms. The primary bedroom is 14 by 13. Here's another sheet that describes some of the particulars of this home. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is a wood framed home. Very nice. Here's another panoramic view of the kitchen. Has recessed lights, panoramic view of the dining room area as well. I will now walk out to the street. I'll do a panoramic view of the street and describe what I see out here. This home does have a very deep setback. Very private. You will not hear street noise here. This is panning to the right, panning to the left. As always, please contact the listing agent, Angie Taylor, if you have any questions about this home. I will show you Angie Taylor's contact information. There her contact information is. Angie Taylor with Sunshine Realty Group. Let's take a walk out to the street. I'll do a panoramic view for you. Very quiet neighborhood here in the Village of Lynnhaven, in the Villages, Florida. That would be facing north. That is your home right there, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch home here in the Villages, Florida. And that would be facing south. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate all your comments, all your likes, and your subscriptions. Thank you. Take care. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you for joining this open house tour of a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home here in the Village of Lynnhaven in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. Take care, everyone.